Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what you can do in order to verify whether you have been kicked from a Discord server. So obviously on the left side you have the list of all servers. If you are missing a server, then there are three possible outcomes. You have been kicked, you have been banned, or the whole server has been deleted. Now in order to verify this information, we need to have a friend who has also been on the same server. If that person is still on the server, then obviously the server has not been deleted. So we have two options. We have been either kicked or banned. Now in order to verify this, we need to ask our friend to send us the invite link. Once we receive the invite link, and we can join the server, then, well, we have been just kicked. However, we might also see this information that the user is banned from this guild. This means that you have been actually banned from the server and not kicked. Well, if you can join the server back, then good for you, you have been only kicked from the server. Otherwise, well, there's not much you can do about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!